Hi, colleagues and friends. My name is Crystal Kearns, and I'm a second grade teacher at South Hart Elementary. I'm here to get us started with sorting our Lucy Calkins Phonics kits. As you can see in front of me, I have 3 boxes. In the top box are units of study, a guide to phonics, and our mentor text. The bottom 2 boxes are composed of our units, our resource across the grade level, as well as our small groups. Each box consists of 2 to 4 packagings that look similar to this. So the units are made up of colors. So this is Unit 4 in second grade, and it's yellow. This is Unit 3, and it's green. This is our across the grade level resources. Inside of that are our posters, alphabet cards, assessment cards, and the like. Each of the boxes hold our units. So we have 4 units in second grade. You have 5 in first and kindergarten. Everybody has the resource across the grade level, as well as a small groups packaging. So we just want to give you a little bit of word of advice before you get started digging into your kits. As you get ready to start sorting and organizing your kits, we are asking you to only open the packaging of one unit at a time. So as you're working on, say, Unit 1, since that'll be the first unit you start the year off with, and you tear that one open, get that organized and sorted, and then open the packaging of Unit 2 or small group or whichever packaging you're working on. Listen up next as Adina is going to tell you about envelopes and labels and what to do with that to move further into sorting. Good luck and happy organizing!